You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word. Do you? I know, it's confusing. Let's break it down. Egomaniacal, it's normally how it's pronounced. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. It's confusing because the name is egomaniac, but it's not egomaniacal. No, it's egomaniacal. Egomaniacal, and stress on that nice syllable. How to pronounce? Some may say ego, it's normally ego. Egomaniacal, English, correct English pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.